This is your local news on the emergency alert system. Lord Vader has led 86 stormtroopers for the underground battle, which causes the risk of fire. Due to the Empire battle, residents are advised to take shelter immediately. Be sure to bring a battery-powered radio, bottle of water, and cans of food. Do not get out until the all clear is forgiven. For radio stations and TV cables, all broadcast shall transmit this emergency action notification message. Must stations will remain on the air for the following locations in your area: